Hi guys, welcome back to the Rabbit Learning. Hey there, welcome back. In this lesson, we are going to cover three powerful concepts in Python: function scope and lifetime. And second, the global keyword, and the third, docstrings. These are essential for writing clean, professional, and bug-free Python code. So first, start with function scope and lifetime. Let's begin with the basics. What is scope? Scope refers to where a variable can be accessed in your code, and lifetime refers to how long the variable exists in the memory. Variables inside a function are temporary, they are created when the function starts and they are destroyed when the function ends. Let's create a new Python file called scopes.py. Write def c equals to a plus b, return c. And print sum 4, 8. And don't forget to pass the arguments a, b in the function. And if I print a, this will raise an error. You will get an error. Name a is not defined. That's because a is the local variable. It only exists inside the function. So remember, a, b and c are local to the function. Once the function returns, they are gone because a and b are local variables. Now what's the difference between global and local variables? What if you define a variable outside the function? Z equals to 31, print Z before assigning it. And if I run the program, you will see the output 31. This works because Z is a global variable available everywhere in your program. But wait, what if you can try to change Z inside the function? It creates a local variable called Z which is destroyed after this function returned. But wait, what if you try to change Z inside the function? Like it will give the same result 31. Write def greet Z equals to 32, print hello, which is local variable, while using global is powerful. It can make code harder to debug and maintain, use it sparingly. Now for the global keyword, if you really want to modify a global variable inside a function, you can use global keyword. Def sum a, b, print hey, let sum a. By using global Z, we will tell Python don't create a new local variable, use the global one instead. Then print Z. If you run the program, you will see the output. Hey, let's sum it 431. This will refer to local variable and it modifies the global Z. Now let's explore a very Pythonic feature, docstring. Docstrings help you document your functions, classes and modules. Here's how you define one. Def sum a, b, and using triple quotes, this will sum of two numbers. Now c equals to a plus b, return c. You can access the docstring using print sum dot doc. Now if I run the program, you will see the output. It returns the sum of two numbers. Docstrings are super useful for anyone who wants to understand how to use a function, especially in large projects or libraries. You can even write multi-line docstrings to add numbers. This makes your code self-explanatory and professional. When others use this function, they can hover over it or use help to see this helpful information. I hope you are having a great time learning Python with me. Let's keep the momentum going. See you in the next section. Keep coding.